Magandang araw po at magandang gabi sa mga nakakapanood sa gabi at sa lahat po ng nakapot ng video nito. Welcome po dito sa AMB o Avoid Mix Videos. Ngayon po ay may pangalawa po tayong video mula ulit kay Hashim Al-Gaili, no? So ito naman po yung paano nagkakaroon ng interaction yung ipinapanganak na conjoined twins, yung mayroong dalawang ulo at saka isang katawan, no? So para maintindihan po natin, i-play po natin ang kanyang video at sama-sama po natin bigyan ito ng reaction at comment dyan sa comment box. Ito po.
Abby and Brittany Hensel's anatomy is a remarkable blend of shared and individual organs and tissues. The twins each have their own distinct upper body systems. Abby and Brittany have 2 heads, 2 brains, 2 spinal cords, and 2 hearts, which are part of a shared circulatory system. Each heart pumps blood through the same system, meaning the actions of one can directly affect the other. Despite sharing blood circulation, their individual brains and spinal cords function independently from each other, coordinating movements for their respective sides of the body. Abby and Brittany each control the arm on their respective side. Abby manages the right arm, while Brittany
Ang galing po, no? May dalawa siyang brain, so yung dalawang brain na yon kaya niyong kontrolin, no? Pero yung isa sa kabila, kung sa kaliwang ulo ka, kaliwang kamay, no? Yung kaliwang utak o yung kanang utak, kanang kamay din, ano? O kanang ulo, kanang kamay, no? Pero ang ano nito, paano ito nagkakaroon ng normal na interaction? So napakagaling nitong explanation na ito ni ng medical explanation ni Hashim, ano? Sige, tuloy-ulit natin ang video.
controls the left. This division of control extends to their legs as well, with Abby controlling the right leg and Brittany controlling the left. Despite this division, their movements are highly coordinated for activities.
No? Paano kaya yun, no? Halimbawa naglalakad ka, no? Paano kasi dalawang tao kayo, no? Isang membrane. Paano kaya yun kung naglalakad ka, no? So, para sa akin, mahirap ipaliwanag. Panoorin na natin yung video.
Requiring both arms, such as holding objects, typing on a keyboard, or steering a car, they rely on constant cooperation and communication. They are able to perform these tasks smoothly thanks to the remarkable synchronization between their 2 brains and nervous systems. Their skeletal systems include 2 separate spines that join at the pelvis, maintaining their independent neurological functions. Each twin also has 2 lungs, making for a total of 4. While their medial lungs are fused to some degree, the outer lungs operate independently. Abby and Brittany have 2.
So dito po, talagang pinapakita na dalawa sila, no? May dalawang lungs, dalawang puso, dalawang brain. Pero yung spinal cord nila, dalawa rin. Pero pagdating doon sa gitna, single na lang, no? Nag-Y po siya, no? So yung neurological niya, yung signal na natatransfer through yung tinatawag nating sa spines, no, yung tinatawag nating nerve, yun yung nakakapagtaka, no? Talagang hindi may basta-basta may paliwanag ito, no? Pero itong medical talagang pinag-aralan nila ito. At ito kasi nakakabilib, no? Gawa ng Diyos po ito kasi, no? May mga kakaiba ho talaga.
Stomachs, allowing each twin to digest food separately. Their sense of hunger or satiety is unique to each twin, as the brains controlling the stomachs are independent. Abby and Brittany each have their own esophagus, which leads to their respective stomachs. This is part of their distinct upper digestive systems. Since they each control one side of their body and have separate stomachs, the food each twin swallows travels down her own esophagus and into her own stomach, ensuring that their digestive systems function independently in the upper body. Although Abby and Brittany each control their own side of the body, they experience stomach pain differently. When one twin has stomach pain, the discomfort is felt on the opposite side of the shared body. The twins share one liver, though it is slightly elongated and enlarged to meet the needs of both bodies. They have a single small intestine, which splits into two spastic peristalsis patterns to accommodate their dual physiology. Similarly, they share one large intestine, one bladder, and one set of reproductive organs. Their shared pelvis houses these lower organs and is slightly broader than average to accommodate both individuals. In terms of kidneys, the twins have a
So, masasabi ko dito talagang, wow, galing.
total of 3. Abby has one on her side, while Brittany has 2. This is a unique adaptation that allows for efficient filtration and waste removal, despite the shared urinary system. Their gallbladders are also individual, with 2 present, aiding in bile storage for digestion. Their skeletal system includes one rib cage, but it is widened and contains traces of fused and separate ribs to support both upper bodies. The surgical removal of the rudimentary third arm at birth left behind an additional shoulder blade. Reproductive and urinary anatomy is fully shared. They have one uterus, one birth canal, and one urethra. These organs function to serve the needs of both twins, though.
So, ito po, no, yung dating question ko, no, paano ba natin ito bibilangin, no? Bibilangin ba natin sila as dalawa o isang tao lang? So, sabi nga nila, conjoint twin. So, pag sinabi ng twin is dalawa, no? Pero, pwede mo sila sabihin iisa lang. Kasi isang katawan lang sila, no? So, medyo magulo, no? Parang mahirap siya ipaliwanag, no? Kung itatala mo ba siya as isa o dalawa. Kasi hindi natin alam kung mamatay ba yung isa sa kanila, wag naman sana, ay madadama yung isa. O kung meron ba silang isang buhay lang na tinatawag na counted as one life. Parang ito yung sa ano no, kung aano natin sa ating Panginoon, yung tatlong persona, no? Iisang Diyos iisang Diyos pero tatlong persona. Mahirap ipaliwanag. Kasi yun ay espiritu, pero tayo ay laman o physical. Yun mahirap ipaliwanag yun. Kung yung bagay na napakahirap ipaliwanag, ito mahirap din ipaliwanag, no? Physical na to, no? Paano siya nag-work as dalawa sa isang katawan. No? Yun yung mga limitation ng tao.
Their control over these systems is shared and likely cooperative. Overall, Abby and Brittany's unique anatomy can be summarized as follows: 2 heads, 2 spines merging at the coccyx, 2 brains and spinal cords, 2 hearts, 1 circulatory system, 4 lungs, 2 partially fused, 2 stomachs, 2 gallbladders, 3 kidneys, 1 liver, 1 small intestine, 1 large intestine, 1 pelvis, 1 bladder, 1 set of reproductive organs, 2 arms and 2 legs. Despite their unique anatomy, Abby and Brittany have defied the odds, living full, active lives through cooperation and extraordinary coordination. Their story remains a testament to the adaptability of the human body and the resilience of the human spirit.
So, dito na lang po tayo natatapos, yung video niya, no? Talagang masasabi ko, napaka-unique po ng buhay nila at nabuhay po sila ng normal, no? Ito po ay isang himala para sa akin, inaalaw po siguro ito ng ating Panginoon para ipakita yung kahinaan ng tao sa pamamagitan, yung talino ng tao sa talino ng Diyos, no? Ipakita yung kahinaan natin at kung ano yung talino ng Diyos na may mga posibleng pwedeng maganap, no? So ito, isang halimbawa po ito na talagang hindi ko kayang ipaliwanag ng tao paano nag-work talaga na instantly yung isang bagay umiiral. Paano umiiral yung mga bagay na ganito. So hanggang dito na lang po, ito po ang Avoid Mix videos.